Did you know that the difference between temporary and permanent disability could determine your financial future? Whether you are recovering from an injury or facing a long term condition, understanding the difference is crucial to securing the right benefits. In this video, we will break down everything you need to know about temporary and permanent disability so you can make informed decision and get the support you deserve. What you will learn: the key difference between temporary and permanent disability, how to determine which category you fall into, the impact of each on your benefits and recovery option, what a step to take based on your disability classification. Stick around because we will dive into real life example and give you the tool to navigate these challenges. What is temporary disability? Temporary disability refers to a condition that prevents you from working for a limited period of time, but with the expectation that you will eventually recover and return to your normal activity. Common cause: injuries such as fracture, sprain or strains. Illness that required recovery time, like a serious flu or surgery. Temporary condition like pregnancy or short-term mental health struggles. Key characteristics: the disability lasts for a limited period, usually up to a few months or a year. After recovery, individuals typically return to work or regular activity. Real life example: if you break a leg in a car accident and are unable to work for 6 months, that could be considered temporary disability. After rehabilitation, you will likely resume your job. And temporary disability benefits. Temporary disability benefits can include things like short term disability insurance or workers' compensation benefits, which help cover lost wage during recovery. What is permanent disability? Permanent disability, on the other hand, refer to a long lasting or lifelong condition that permanently limited your ability to work and perform daily activities. Common cause: severe accidents such as a spinal cord injuries or amputations, chronic illness like multiple sclerosis or severe heart condition. And third is permanent mental health condition such as major depressive disorder or bipolar disorder. Key characters: the disability is ongoing and does not show sign of full recovery. If it often required long-term care or adjustment to lifestyle and works. Real life example: in someone is diagnosed with a degenerative condition like Parkinson's disease and is usable to continue their career due to the progression of the illness. That would be considered permanent disability. Permanent disability benefits. Permanent disability benefits typically include long-term disability insurance, social security disability insurance, or other government assistance program that provide financial support for an indefinite period. Key difference between temporary and permanent disability. First is duration of the disability. Temporary disability lasts for a specific, often recoverable period, while permanent disability lasts indefinitely with no clear recovery. Work capacity. Temporary disability might allow for some light duties or part time works during recovery, while permanent disability might prevent the person from ever returning to their previous career or full time work. Third is benefit eligibility. Temporary disability typically involves shorter term benefits, likely worker compensation or short term disability insurance. Permanent disability can lead to more substantial or long term benefits like SSDI, which offers long lasting financial assistance. Impact on lifestyle. Temporary disability often come with an expectation of recovery. So individual may focus on rehabilitation and returning to normal life. Permanent disability might require ongoing medical care, assistive device, or lifestyle change to accommodate the disability long term. Example: imagine a construction worker who suffer a back injuries. After 6 months of physical therapy, they are able to return to work. That is temporary disability. Now, imagine a person who suffer a stroke and is unable to work ever again due to a significant cognitive and physical limitation. That is permanent disability. How to determine if your disability is temporary or permanent? First is medical evolution. The first step is determining whether your disability is temporary or permanent is to undergo a thorough medical evolution. This could include your doctor's assessment of your injuries or condition, along with any expected timeline for recovery. Second is expected duration. Temporary disability usually have a clear and data like recovering from surgery. Permanent disability may not have any defined end data, and the individual might need to adjust to a new normals. Expert opinion. Doctor, physical therapist, or a specialist play a huge role in identifying whether recovery is possible. Their recommendation will guide you in understanding your disability's long term implication. What to do you next? Once you have a diagnosis, start exploring your option for benefits. If your disability is temporary, short term options like temporary disability insurance or worker compensation will likely cover you. If permanent long term benefit like SSDI or permanent disability insurance will be essential for your financial stability. Understanding the difference between temporary and permanent disability is crucial for both your recovery and financial well being. Whether you are dealing with a short term injury or a lifelong condition, knowing your right and option can help you navigate the process with confidence. If you have found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content on disability right and benefits. Drop your question in the comment below and I will be happy to answer them. Thanks for watching and best of luck on your journey to recovery and support.